David Schnurr, Director of Strategic Accounts at Cargo Master. It's good to see you. I'm glad you're at the show. It's great to see the products. You guys have got some new stuff and some really great stuff that's not so new. So tell us what my buddies are missing since they didn't come to the show today.
Well, pleased to see you today, Joe.
Same.
And I want to take a few minutes just to tell you a little bit about Cargo Master, some of the exciting things that we're doing in the van equipment and truck products and truck racks industry. We've been featuring a number of new aluminum products, starting with our aluminum drawer unit for vans. We've also developed aluminum racks, which we'll talk about a little bit later.
Wow.
This is a 52-inch deep drawer unit. We also make a similar version in steel, but with the light weighting and right weighting of vehicles, we see a need and a trend towards the aluminum products.
Yeah, for sure.
One of the things that we've always tried to do is to build products that are easy to assemble and easy to install. Why that matters to the dealership customer is that yields a low installed cost by the time you incorporate the labor and assembly time for our products.
Yep, that's great.
A good example is our fleet partition that we manufacture for the Ford Transit vans. These partitions have an integrated wing kit as opposed to a wing kit that's a bolt-on piece. This saves you a lot of time, and we've manufactured these as a specified Ford partition for some major rental truck fleets. I'd like to take a little bit of time to also show you some of the innovative things we're doing with our plastic totes line.
Sure.
We manufacture these branded Cargo Master totes that allow a technician to carry products conveniently, easily around the job site. This is an easy sell to your customers at the dealership level. They want their job made easy. We provide several different ways to install these in the vans. We have a tote holder that carries 3 totes, and a 4-tote holder that mounts into the shelves. This also has a tray in the top to facilitate aerosol cans or other products that you may need to haul.
That's great. That's great.
I want to take a little bit of time to discuss our design approach to shelves. The first thing you notice with a Cargo Master shelf is that all of our shelves come standard with a steel shelf back. Your customers will love this because this prevents parts from migrating off of the back of the shelf, going to the ground and maybe never being seen again.
Yeah, exactly.
In addition to the shelf backs, you'll notice that our shelves have a double bend on the top lip. You can stand on these shelves. It adds a great deal of rigidity.
Sure.
One of the features that we provide with our shelves is the ability to move and adjust the shelf units after the unit has been installed. Because of our lance and tab design, these shelves rest into the end panels and are secured with a threaded fastener.
I see, yeah, sure.
So if someone wants to reconfigure their vehicle, it's very easy to do so after the product is installed.
Yeah, that's great.
Firm, heavy brackets to stabilize the shelf units. We warranty our products for life, so we have to build them to perform that way.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. That's great.
I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about our aluminum racks.
Yeah.
We've worked very hard over the last 18 months to complete an entire line of aluminum ladder racks. We've had racks for our pickup trucks made of aluminum for quite a few years. But we really see the industry moving towards the aluminum racks. This particular rack is a drop-down rack, recently developed by our engineers at our plant in Rancho Cordova. It allows the user to move the rack from the top of the vehicle easily to the side of the vehicle.
Sure.
This provides a safe, ergonomic method to handle these ladders, so even a short guy like me can put a ladder off and on the truck safely and easily.
Sure.
Our rack, because of its design, is one of the easiest drop-down racks to operate. It requires very little effort to move the ladder from the side of the truck back to the top. It's now secured through the handle hasp, which can be padlocked for your customer's security.
Sure. Very easy to operate.
Safety is a big concern for all of the commercial customers.
You bet.
In the growing van market, and with the advent of the taller, easier to use van platforms, we developed a grab handle. These are designed to fit either on the mid-roof or low-roof Ford Transit vans, install into the factory-provided hardware to,
Right.
again, support that concept of ease and efficiency of installation. And with these new modern van designs, your customers are in and out of these trucks far more frequently than they ever have been. This is an important safety feature
It
to
is.
include.
Yeah, it is. That's key. Well, that's great. Boy, howdy! You guys have got a full range of I'm amazed of products. I'm so amazed that Ford says that they sell more commercial vans than they do commercial trucks. I mean, the van business is huge, and we've got to commit ourselves to making sure that our customers have the very best equipment that's suited for theirs. Not just a can, but a can that's got everything that they need so they can operate efficiently and safely. So,
Our approach to the van market, and certainly with a great deal of respect towards Ford, who's been a market leader for many, many years in the van space,
Yep.
is to provide these products to enhance the tool that you're selling to a customer. He
Right.
comes to you and you have an empty can in your inventory. We turn that into a workable, functional piece of equipment for your customers.
yeah, that's terrific. David, thanks so much. Appreciate you taking the time to show me and my friends that didn't make it, and we'll see if we can't move some metal here.
Thank you very much, Joe.
Absolutely.
It's a pleasure.
Take care.